How to add custom CSS to Wix Studio. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how we can access custom CSS for the global site, which is Wix Studio. So yes, we can actually go ahead and access custom CSS for the entire global Wix Studio. And to do so, it's actually very simple, and we can just go ahead and get started by clicking on Edit Site and opening up our site editor for Wix Studio, obviously. Now we are going to be required to open up or start up dev mode in order to do this. Otherwise, we're not going to have the option to. And also, it is going to be, like I said previously about 4 times now, it is going to be global. So meaning if you change something for a container, it's going to apply to all containers in your site. It's not going to be limited to the only container that you actually wanted to apply it to. Hopefully that actually makes sense. Otherwise, I may sound a little complicated or make things sound overly complicated. So let's just go and remove stuff here and start by showing you exactly what can we do with custom CSS. So this is an empty section here, and we basically wanted to add something to it, add a container, whatever it may be. But first, in order to actually access the custom CSS, like I said, we will need to go to dev mode. So to enable that, you just want to go to the left dashboard here, menu, whatever you want to call it, and you will find code here, this bottom one. Just go ahead and click on that, and then it's actually going to ask you whether you want to start coding or not. So just go and click on start coding, and then here we can actually go ahead and get started. So all you need to do really is just add the global CSS. So just go and you will find it's right down here. Once you actually click on it, if you lost it, you just want to go ahead and click on it again, which is code, and then you will find here the main pages and stuff. Let's just go and minimize that because we don't need it. And also let's minimize the store pages and make sure you expand the CSS, and you will find add global.css. So just go and click on that, and now boom, we have our global CSS. So now whatever you actually input in here is actually going to be applied for the entire site. Now you know better CSS than me. I'm not really a coder here. I really have no idea how to code or anything. I'm just going to show you how to add custom CSS, and you pretty much can do it now. So let's just go ahead and add an element, a container, for example, and we can just go ahead and drag and drop that or just have it in here. Now this is going to be labeled as a box. As you can see here, global box classes here section. If you click on the box, it's actually going to say box. But like I said, right now, if you actually add any code to this box, it's going to apply to each and every single container. So to avoid that and only have it apply to this specific box, all you need to do is just go to custom classes here. Once you actually go ahead and click on a specific item, whether it's a container or anything else, and just go ahead and add the name for it instead of a box. So we can just go ahead and do box with double X. And now if you want to go to your custom CSS and refer to it as box with double X instead, I did not save that, did I? Nope, I did not actually save that. So let me just go ahead and do it again. There you go. And now if you wanted to refer to it, you would need to actually go ahead and do box with double X. And it's just going to apply to your newly added class or custom class for this specific one. And this is going to be the only element that changes with custom CSS. If not, and if you use just the default one, everything that is a container in your site is going to be changed. Hopefully it made sense. I believe it is going to be very simple for you because you know, at this point you may know exactly what you're doing. But yeah, all you need to do is just go ahead and give them custom classes and just start coding here. And good luck with you for that. And hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.